Hello everyone, welcome back to Write Better Every Day. So this is day 5 and today we will learn how to edit your writing like a professional. Whether you are a student, job seeker or just want to express your thoughts more clearly. So let's dive in. What is editing? So, editing is the stage where your writing truly comes to life. It's not just about grammar. It's about the clarity, tone, and impact. So, we will focus today on style editing. That means refining your sentence structure, tone, and flow. Here are the 5 key editing techniques. So, these are the 5 essential techniques you need to learn today. First, cut the fluff. The second is use strong verbs. The third one is break long sentences. The fourth one is avoid repetition. And the fifth one is read it aloud. Let's take a look on the number 1, cut the fluff. So look at the example. Due to the fact that it was raining, you can cut the fluff and make it because it rained. You see, shorter sentences are easier to read and it is more powerful. The second one is using strong verbs. Let's take at the example. The weak one is he gave an explanation, but the strong is he explained. So remember, strong verbs make your writing more direct and confident. The third one is the breaking long sentences. Long sentences can be overwhelming. So try this. See, there are 2 sentences. The meeting scheduled for 3 p.m. was cancelled due to unforeseen circumstances. So if we can make it short, it will be the 3 p.m. meeting was cancelled, it will be rescheduled. See, clarity always wins over complexity. The number 4 is avoid repetition. Do not repeat the same idea in different words. Let's take a look. He was angry and upset. We can express it as he was angry. So every word should add value. If it does not, then cut it. The 5th one is read it aloud. This tip is powerful. Read your writing out loud. If it sounds clunky, it needs fixing. Our ears catch mistakes, our eyes miss. Let's have a practice challenge. Let's try one together. So, in order to achieve success, it is important to put in a lot of hard work on a regular basis. Now, let's edit it. To succeed, you must work hard regularly. You see, now this is clear and concise. Let's take a look some editing tools. You can use these free tools to improve your drafts. One is Grammarly, checks grammar and clarity. Another one is Hemingway Editor. It highlights complex sentences. Another one is Pillbot. It helps rewrite awkward lines. Always remember, these tools help, but you are the best editor. Let's recap and check our homework. So, Let's review cut fluff, use strong verbs, break long sentences, avoid repetition, and read aloud. So this is your homework. Take one paragraph you have written and apply these 5 rules, and you will notice the difference. Let's take a look of a live editing demo. Let's edit a professional sentence together. The original sentence is, in today's modern world, people all around the globe are using smartphones in their daily lives. Let's check it. First one is cut. In today's modern world, it will be today. So let's then simplify this. People all around the globe, you replace it with people worldwide. And number 3, rewrite. Are using smartphones in their daily lives. We can rewrite it as use smartphones daily. So finally, the sentence becomes, today, people worldwide use smartphones daily. You see, this is simple, confident, and powerful. Let's check out some common editing mistakes. So these mistakes we need to avoid. First of all, cutting too much and losing your meaning. We cannot cut too much words that will ultimately lose the meaning of the sentence. We cannot using fancy words just to sound smart. Over editing, changing things that were already clear, and forgetting your tone or audience. So always remember that you have to aim for clarity, not complexity. So let's edit a LinkedIn bio and fix it. Here is before, this is the sentence. Here is how editing applies in real life. The original was, I am a hardworking person who tries my best in everything I do. The edited version is, I am a driven professional who consistently delivers high quality work. You will notice how it sounds more confident and professional. Let's check out professional tone versus friendly tone. Tone changes everything. Here is the friendly tone. Hey, just checking if you saw my message. And the professional tone is, hi, I am following up on my earlier message regarding our meeting. Always remember, your audience matters. Adapt your voice accordingly. So here is your 5-minute editing checklist. You always keep it handy. What are the checklists? Can this sentence be shorter? Am I using strong verbs? Did I repeat myself? Is my tone appropriate? Does it sound right when I read it out loud? So now, why editing matters from student to professionals? Because it builds your credibility. It makes your thoughts easier to understand, and it sets you apart as someone who thinks clearly and communicates powerfully. So remember, your words are your brand, so make them sharp. So, okay, thank you all for joining this day 5 lesson. Edit your writing today using these tools, and you will see how powerful your voice can become. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel and follow for day 6, where we will explore clarity and rhythm in writing. Thank you and bye bye.